Yoda Joe. A little different perspective on this one today. This is about doing the same thing and expecting different results. So we're going to talk a little bit about the man and the mule quickly. Want to go over the neural pathways. You got neurons, especially in gray matter, the neuron, you have a shorter distance to go than in the body. So axons have a neural pathway that can be single or a bundled neural tract, and it makes a synapsis that goes to another neuron. So let me just ask you to think about it this way. The man and the mule. So the farmer gets up and he's got something to deliver market every day. He loads the wagon, puts the mule on the wagon. He sets the mule out to go to market, and then he gets up in the wagon and falls asleep. So every day the man is expecting the mule to take the fruit or whatever to market. One day the man decides that he's going to go visit his relatives in the other county. So he gets up, he puts stuff that he wants to take to his relatives, and then he puts the mule on the front, and then he falls asleep, and he wakes up at the market, and he's upset, and he's angry, and he's mad at the mule, and he's treating the mule badly because the mule did the same thing based on what the farmer did every day. And what happens is he can't be mad at the mule because the mule didn't know that he wanted him to go one day out of the month to the relative's house. And the thing is if you get up every day and you have the same pathway, what happens is the synapsis keeps getting stronger and stronger going to that neuron. And they say that if you will change your habits, you will change the way that your brain is wired, the way that your body is wired. If you always have things that you complain about, it's going to come back on you. I'm going to give some examples in the next video about little cues that cause this to happen. But basically, don't forget the man and the mule.